type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Stallions by the group type shit. That's some thick shit, I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off, I don't just usually do type shit. Pockets racked up, all blue type shit. Bunch of rich niggas, hoes get confused type shit. Atlanta nigga, live like Ted Turner type shit. On camera, bruh, knockin' jaws loose type shit. I cancel her, kicked her out of school type shit. A silent hitter, I just keep it cool with you bitches. A solid nigga, countin' dog food type shit. Moving through the city with your boo type shit. She ready to suck it up like soup type shit.